Well, guys, welcome back to a whole nother day, and pretty much I'm on my way to go check this car out, man. I brought me a fuse that always be the problem with I'm talking about with the car. Always be the problem. It always be this fuse though, but we're gonna check it out and see. I asked the guy if they can get the battery taken care of yesterday. So today I'm up my way to this like Friday, and pretty much I'm on my way up there right now to pretty much see if they can I don't even know what to tell you, man. It's complicated with this car. So I've been looking at some cars, but if they can't do not much to it, I might have to send it to the main dealership, which is in Roswell, Georgia, near the Lamborghini dealership. That's the only option I have left. If they can't do nothing to it, if I go there today and they can't say, hey, put me a battery in there and change the fuse that I have over here in the box, I don't even know what to tell you, nobody, man. It's complicated at this point. So if they can do it and we get the car running today, officially the car is gone. But if they can't do nothing, I'm gonna send it to the main Karma dealership in Roswell. That's the only option I have left, pretty much. Right now it's 11:22 right now, and pretty much I'm on my way right there. I'm pretty much 5 minutes or 8 minutes away, pretty much. But I'm tired of this car. I'll be honest with you. Like I tell you, the last video was very disturbing. Like, honestly, man, I'm so sick and tired of this car. This car gotta go. And pretty much I'm out here today just trying to see if we can get this car. Whoop, start it up. For some reason, it's doing its own thing again. I just changed the fuse. I got a fuse right beside me right now. I'm gonna show y'all when I stop for a second. But hopefully I can get this car situation taken care of today, man. Hopefully. If we get it running, that's the ultimate goal. If we get it running, we can drive it off. And the guy can do the test drive, whatever the thing might be. Give me a price on it. Then we go paperwork away from right there. So, pretty much, it's tough, man. It's tough. I need me a truck like this one, like pretty much Chevy Tahoe or whatever the case might be. From it's like a truck. I love that. So, once I get there, we gonna figure this situation out, because I'm tired of it. Everybody who I spoke to over there, they say, we don't work on this type of car, but Cadillac is like, it's GM. The car is a GM car, GM, whatever they were saying. They got GM parts, whatever that means. So that's one of the things they were talking about. You got GM parts on there, but for me, I don't really know what to tell anybody, man, because right now I just need to get this car off my hand, so I can get back on the road, put more content out. That's the ultimate goal, man, because this is kind of like holding me back right now, but I still can come out here and make videos, because I still got cars like I can move around with. But at the same time, I want my own thing to move around with, so I can travel, I can drive this state, that state, you know what I'm saying? So that's my ultimate goal, man. So once we get that operation started back booming again, we are definitely, I have a lot of places that I was sitting down planning out that I was gonna go, but the car act up, acting dumb, acting stupid, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much we gonna go there and see what happens from there. Yeah, but the fuse is in this box right here. Pretty much in this box. The fuse for the car is in this box right here. Let me see if I can take it out. But this is what the fuse look like. This fuse right here. Same fuse that messed up on the car. It's always the same fuse. And I just bought a brand new one from the dealership in Roswell. And pretty much, I guess it's like a common thing. They always got a lot of those. Because when I spoke to the guy, he was like, oh, I got a lot of those. $200 to $300 something dollars. Yeah. That's to tell you how bad this is. So once we get rid of this car, we ain't gonna deal with nothing like that no more. I just need all gas car. No, nothing to do with electric. I don't want to have electric signature on no cars. But that's the ultimate goal right now. But I'm not too far from the dealership, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. So we actually made it, and the car is right there. Let's go. I see that the car is still right there. Nobody looked at it. Seem very busy over here today, but we're gonna see, man. Yeah, man. The car is actually here. I don't know if they got the keys inside. I know this thing is like a pain in the ass. It said fuel tank open. I don't think nobody would look at it. Hey man, welcome back. It's another day now, and it's been almost a week now. So it's been a week without my car. A week and 2 days without my car right now. And I'm gonna give the car company in Karma dealership a call, pretty much see what's going on with my car, what the situation is. Nobody did give me a call, but they called me and said when I dropped the car off on when was it? I think it was Friday when I dropped the car off. Yeah, dropped the car off on Friday. They said they're gonna give me a call back Tuesday. They still haven't given me back a call back. And pretty much I'm gonna call them right now and pretty much hear what they gotta say. Cause pretty much it's been a couple of days now and I haven't heard back from them. They said they're gonna give me a call back. I tell them what the situation is. I tell them it's the same problem from last time. And pretty much same old. And pretty much I'm on the road right now, pretty much in the car, sitting down. Gonna give them a call and see what's going on. But let me find their number. I'm gonna call them right now and hear what they gotta say. I'm gonna chat you guys hear everything as well.
Calls may be recorded for quality assurance. If you know your party's extension, please press.
It's crazy.
5. For service, please press 1. For Cadillac service,
It's Cadillac.
Please press 1. For service appointments and general information, please press 1. To check on your...
I want to hear what they gotta say. They gonna leave me
Thank you for calling Classic Overland. This is Jeffrey speaking. How may I help you?
Hey, I dropped my car from there on Friday, and they said they're gonna give me a call back yesterday, so I didn't get a call back, so I'm just giving you guys a shout out here what's going on with my car.
All right. What's the phone number?
I'm telling you, they want to give me that play around, and I'm not into it, bro. Once I get this car situation sorted out, this car gotta go ASAP though. I just need to know if it's good, up and running. This car will be gone officially. I want that to be happening. Like, I'm sick and tired of this car, man. I told her what the same problem was. They said whoop. I'm gonna tell them it's a battery, same fuse, same bullshit from last time is happening with the car, and it's sad. But yeah, I'm still here on the phone. We gonna see what happens. So
She did tell me that the technician informed her that your particular vehicle hasn't been looked at yet. He actually has a couple other Karmas that are in front of yours, but he's going to get to yours as soon as possible. And once he does, he'll inform Miss Brenda, and Miss Brenda will inform you.
okay.
All right, sir. You enjoy your day.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So that means it's not only me. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm not the only person with the same problem. That's insane, man. That's insane. I'm not the only person with the same problem with these cars. This car gotta be gone. We need to lock this company down for good. And they want to make more new cars? Yeah, we gotta shut that thing down, man. We gonna put that car company to the graveyard right now, because I'm done with this car company for real. That's insane, man. She said, hey, the car haven't been looked at yet. They got a couple more other cars. The last time I went there, like when my car shut off last time, they got about 10 other cars there. 10 other cars. And then on my way leaving out, I see more tow trucks coming in with cars just like mine. So it's not only me having this situation, it's all the time. And I'm sick and tired of it, so it's time for me to get a new car and wrap it up with that one. It's officially done, man. I don't want to hear nothing else. I don't care if I don't get back the car for like a month or two, because I don't really care that much about this car. So once I tell you guys it's over with, it's over with. And I'm done. I'm sick and tired of it. So on to the bigger and better car right now. Now it's all about car shopping and look up my details and break it down and whoop whoop and see what's going on, man. But yeah, I'm gonna run by Walmart and we're gonna take care of little things from there, man, because right now I'm not in the mood for it. I'm tired of this car for real, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's a pain in the ass, but it's time for that car to go. So that's the best part about my case. So let me get to Walmart, look what they got going on over here, and yeah, let's go. Well guys, a whole nother day, and I just pretty much got to come to you guys and just pretty much tell you that I don't even know what to do with this car at this point. You guys can see that I'm not the only person having the same problem with this type of car. Yeah, it's not the first, not the last, not the second, not the fourth, not the fifth. This car been like this the whole time. So pretty much it's just like me to showing you guys what I've been through since 2019. I've been going through the same situation, and I had to put it on camera. I got a platform now where I can show you guys all the dirty things this car company leads ahead. They don't really do nothing for you right now. They don't really got nobody who can work on the car, like say, hey, I can bring the car here and you do this, do this. You only got one location, which is their dealership, to pretty much do everything, and the technician don't even have the time to work on the car. So it's pretty much like, okay, you're gonna have one car after the next car to the next car, and it's gonna be like that for the past I don't know how to put it, but it's been like that. Sometimes I don't get the car back for like a month, and I just got to show you all the dirty and the nasty of this car company. We need to pretty much put this car company to the graveyard and put Karma Rivera Company, Karma Automotive, to the graveyard as of today. And I've been through this problem since 2019. They said my warranty went out, which is not even 10 years. They said my warranty was 10 years, and all of a sudden my warranty just went out, which I didn't understand. It's not even 5 years, but my warranty went out. I thought the warranty was 10 years. So they said I don't have any more warranty anymore. I'm like, I'm still battling about the situation, but I'm not even gonna fuss about it, because I think this car is just for the graveyard right now. Because this car came out in 2018 and I got the car in 2019. And all of a sudden, warranty expired. 2023. That's when the warranty went out. So I just saw this situation I didn't understand. But I never understand it. I'm still today like, how my warranty went out? But I get free battery and all that stuff. And I had to pay for the labor. And that's pretty much it. But all that other stuff, man, this car is officially doomed, and pretty much gotta go. got to go. Hell yeah, gotta go. I don't even care what anybody gotta say. It's a pretty car. Nope, it's gotta go. I don't care too much no more. So that's one of my biggest situation I've got going on right now. It's crazy, but this car company, I hate it. Now I gotta go for something bigger and better. Something I could do. That's why I haven't been. So this is one of the reasons why I haven't been posting no much videos as I normally do. Cause here where I'm at, you're gonna need a car to go where you need to go. And if you don't have that, you pretty much ain't gonna make no video. You're gonna stay home and do reaction videos or live stream, and that's pretty much it, man. So, you know what I'm saying? So I want to come out here. I'm not a boring ass person. I want to go out and show you guys things that you never see in your whole lifetime. You know what I'm saying? And you might just go out there and try to do it. So I got people. I recommend, like, people watch my channel and go places from what I heard. Like, it's crazy. But that's the same thing I was telling you guys. I'm very thankful for what I'm doing, man, because what I'm doing right now, I'm showing you guys a lot of things, and people that actually like, oh, I went there. You know what I'm saying? So on Facebook, I gotta say thank you on Facebook as well. I'm Modification on Facebook. So Facebook is like my platform. It's my Instagram and all that stuff. So Facebook, I got like 4,000 plus followers on there. I still get paid. I suppose to get, I don't know if I get paid on there, but Facebook be doing this thing, man. So that's where most of my videos, all my followers mostly come from. But I'm gonna say, all the people on here, I'm thankful for you guys, man. So, like I said, I'm about to get modification soon on here. So I would like for you guys, please and kindly, to like and subscribe to these videos. And watch these ads for me, please, and run me up. You know what I'm saying? So run me up with these ads, man. So we can get more traveling videos coming and more. Cause I'm about to travel a lot after this. So I'm just pretty much just planning all my trips and my routes. Every day I'm sitting down here, I'm like planning sitting down. So this next week, I have a bigger, better. I got a legendary video for you guys coming, so I can't wait for that video to come. But we ain't done yet. That's what I always say. We got to touch some water around here, man. So you know what I'm saying. So I want to say thank you guys. Thank you for my old subscriber. Thank you for my new subscriber. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. Thank you for everybody on Facebook. When I tag this video on here. Pretty much I want to say thank you for everything, man, because without you guys, I wouldn't dedicate myself. Like, every day I get up and I see more new subscribers coming in, and watch hours going up crazy, and the views are coming in crazy, and I got people who motivate me behind it, like, yo, you doing good, and I love it. You know what I mean? So 3 months of the straight focus, strictly YouTube and Facebook, we're pretty much being modified soon. So I'm ready for that. I'm ready to show you guys the world. I'm ready for traveling, ready for everything now, so I can actually show you guys what's going on in this world. I'm ready for it. I hope you guys are ready for it, because I'm ready for these legendary videos to come soon as possible. So I got to update on my camera. I upgraded my camera because of you guys. I want to give you some better quality, so upgrade the camera. I'm still learning as I go. Every day is like a learning process, so I just want to say thank you guys, man. So on to the next one, right? I'll see you on the next video. It's coming this week. If you don't drop on Tuesday, we're going to drop it Monday. Maybe Tuesday night, maybe Wednesday. We gonna see. But I want to say thank you guys. I love you guys. Appreciate everything you guys do for me, man. So share, like, and share this video. And we're on to the next and bigger and better things in life. So let's go.